Peeps, we're home. We're not out at a theme park. We're not at a convention. We're not really anywhere. So why do we have a video? Well, I got a package in the mail today, and I wanted to share the contents with you guys. Here it is. I think it came from overseas. It's got something here in French. Fragile. Alright. We're gonna open the box. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Can I do it? I'm doing it with one hand and one arm. This may be a video in which I start bleeding. We'll see. You know what? Let me just put this down. Hold on. Gotta let the dog in. Okay. So I opened it through the magic of editing. It's open now. What's in this box, you may ask? Paper. More paper. And more paper. And under that paper, Halloween Horror Nights goodness, people. So we are going to Halloween Horror Nights this year, but, you know, we don't live in Florida. We're flying out there. And after our experience of all the stuff we needed to bring back from California when we went there for D23 Expo, when we saw that Universal was selling this merchandise at shop.universalorlando.com, we decided to go ahead and order online. That way we don't have to lug it back on the plane. And it came in today, even before Halloween Horror Nights begins. And we thought we'd show you guys what we got. First of all, lanyard. Let's open this up. Okay, here it is. This is the Ghostbusters lanyard. Let me stop moving it around so you can see. It's got a clear pouch for your pass. And here is the awesomeness of the dirty table and the Ghostbusters lanyard. I love the colors on this lanyard. You've got the Stay Puft. You've got like the Gozerian demons. I don't know what that is. Is that the library demon? Maybe. There's the Ghostbusters at the stairs. Slimer up there. You got another Slimer down here. Beautiful lanyard. I love it. I don't need a lanyard, but I wanted this one. Okay, what can we get into next? A couple of shirts in here. Let's take a look at these shirts. So the first one I want to show you guys, well, the first one I grabbed anyway, is Maximum Screamage. Alright, Maximum Screamage is the front. This is the house shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and show you guys Halloween Horror Nights, Universal Orlando, 2019. So it's like a video game cabinet. And the store is actually... They have a store set up in Universal Orlando right now that has arcade game machines, and one of the scare zones, the An Arcade, actually will feature giant arcade machines. So it seems pretty cool. But here, you can tell they're going for the theme. Cool hand. These are 9 of the 10 houses. Stranger Things, House of a Thousand Corpses, Monsters, Yeti, Nightingales, Graveyard Games, Depths of Fear, Us, and Killer Clowns. Ghostbusters is not on the shirt. You know, a lot of fans were asking, why isn't Ghostbusters on the shirt? It's not a mistake. The reason is that I'm hearing is that the IP holder of Ghostbusters was not particularly interested in having them featured on the same shirt or same design as some more, you know, violent properties like House of a Thousand Corpses and Us and things like that. So instead, we get the other 9 houses here on the shirt, and Ghostbusters gets its own fun merchandise. So instead, Ghostbusters is featured on this shirt with some of the less violent properties. So you've got your Ghostbusters represented up here, Killer Clowns, your Stranger Things, your Universal Monsters. This is a blacklight reactive shirt. So this is the design for the fountain show, and you know, some of the key art that they're using on the posters and signs throughout the park. Really, really cool. Love how the colors pop on it. Love the design. And this shirt, I didn't say the price on the other one, but this one is $32. And it's because it's black light reactive and kind of a different kind of shirt with these designs here. Let's see if the price is on this shirt. This other house shirt. The house shirt this year, $28. Here is another shirt we got. This one, a long sleeve hoodie. Doesn't get too cold down there in Florida, but it does up here in Virginia. This is another Blacklight Reactive shirt. Universal Halloween Horror Nights 2019 on the front. This one is $50, but it's a nice thick hoodie. It's definitely, going to keep you warm. And it's got a similar design than the previous shirt I showed you, but at the bottom of this one it says Fear to the Max. Awesome hoodie. To the max. And finally, they released these cool 80s style glasses, collectible glasses this year for their major properties. Here are Ghostbusters, Stranger Things, and Universal Monsters. There's a fourth glass that I didn't get, the Killer Clowns, and if you watched our other video about our Halloween Horror Nights 29 guide, you'll know I'm not a big fan of Killer Clowns. So I didn't get that glass. But it may bug me that I don't have the complete set, like right here. So we'll see. We'll see if I get it. But these are the ones I did get. Universal Monsters, which is kind of a mixture of the Frankenstein versus the Wolfman house that they have in California, as well as the Universal Actually, it looks like it's only Frankenstein. Frankenstein's creature and the Wolfman. So I guess this glass is really kind of something that they can sell at both parks, because I don't see Dracula or the Mummy represented on this. It's pretty much just Frankenstein's creature and the Wolfman. Over here, you've got the Stranger Things glass, Hopper, the arcade, 11. Looks like it's more in line with season 2 of Stranger Things. And over here, Ghostbusters. This is an awesome, awesome glass. And here it is in all its glory. The 2 t-shirts, the 3 glasses, and the 1 hoodie we got. What merchandise are you most looking forward to this year at Halloween Horror Nights? Leave us a comment down that way. Hit the like and notification. I think like's over here. Notification's probably over here. Subscribe somewhere there too. Hit all those buttons for us. Definitely leave us a comment. And we will see you guys next week at Halloween Horror Nights down in Orlando. And if you are interested in purchasing any of this stuff, if you're not able to make it to Halloween Horror Nights or you're interested in the shirts, check out shop.universalorlando.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.